Today we're making Lunch Box Skewers. They're really easy to make and we love having them in our lunch boxes. Mum cuts up leftover meat and our favourite vegetables and then leaves us in charge of putting them on the skewers. Sometimes we even have a race when we're doing it. Sometimes my brother goes too fast and gets his skewer stuck and I have to help him out. Because I'm his older sister, he's not that happy about me helping him out. Mum cuts the skewers so they can fit in our lunchbox. I like to make a dipping sauce for my skewers. In a small bowl, put 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Add a teaspoon of tahini and a pinch of sea salt and then mix it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then spoon it into little containers ready for school lunch. For more recipes and healthy inspiration, visit www.wellnourished.com.au.